Hello and welcome to another video about Vice Feline. We've released a version of our utility AI package for free, and I'm showing you the complete ultimate package containing all of the modules which we have. This is the immersive world demo. Our package actually allows you to basically create all of the AI in your projects. And in this demo, you can click on the camera and then press tab to switch to different characters who walk around and like use their cars to go to work. Some of them do other types of work like gathering oak. You can press shift plus tab to switch to cats who will try to eat mice. And then if you press tab, you'll switch to other cats. They also pet each other and play with each other. Uh, when they have a trail, they are going hunting. You can also switch to the poor mice, which just eat oak and make more mice only to get eaten. Uh, this is using all of our products, including utility AI and influence maps, smart objects, and we have basically a visual debugger. We have for utility AI, which shows the scores of all different actions. We have a visual designer. We have multiple modules. We have, as you can see here, we have AI tags which you can assign to objects and then identify them dynamically with tags. We have utility AI for basically creating the actions that the agents can do, and then a scoring mechanism using considerations to score the actions and see which one is how important. Uh, we have two demos. One is available in the light version, which doesn't have cat and mice, and the humans are simpler, but you can basically learn from it and choose to buy the more comprehensive version. Here you can see the AI designed, and you can click on the actions and see their considerations and their curves and all of the design and all of that good thing. Uh, Here you can see the curves, and you can learn more about this on our documentation, which is available to you to use here. There's lots of documentation, and if you go to the demos page, these samples are fully described in a huge documentation. We have other parts of the technology. We have influence maps, for example, which allow you to basically do special queries and see what's going on and where. All of these packages have their own separate demos and documentations, but the immersive demo uses almost all of them. So for example, here, if you come to the simple demo of influence maps, you can run the scenes which have influence maps and see the gizmos of the maps here, where basically each character is. Uh, that's your debug info, and you can, if you disable gizmos, you can see the characters moving around based on the influence maps that exist. You can have a map for the orange and another for the blues. You can combine maps together using operations like add and multiply and blah blah blah. We have remembrance, memory, and emotion system. This is not used in the immersive demo, but has two good demos itself. The memories demo, as you can see in the video specific to this, basically has three kind of shop-like NPCs which you can go to and do things to. If you try to, for example, uh, see them, they do not have any memory of you, but if you do something, then when you go back, they have a different text to say because of the memory. If you try to kill them, They also remember too, but they will forget if you wait long enough. They will change color when they forget. Now, because you try to kill him, it changes color to a green one and remembers. But if you wait enough, it will eventually forget. Now, I'll try to kill him multiple times, and others notice in their memories that something bad's happening and try to attack me. So we have smart objects, which allow you to have objects which basically tell the game what they can do. And for example, in the immersive demo, the beds and the cars, all of them are, and other things in the house are smart objects. Here, uh, this car is a smart object which these will try to ride, and then it starts moving on its own. The logic is in the car, so you can add, for example, a horse, which characters can ride, and when the AI asks for something to ride, both horse and car can respond. And we have full videos for all of these linked in their part in the documentation. For example, let's say you want to learn more about smart objects, you can simply here open their section and learn about them, and there are specific videos for each of these, and you can get the whole package, like all of these things, and utility AI, smart objects, influence maps, memory and emotion system, everything for a price of just $85 at the moment. The price will increase again in the future. Initially it was 150, but we are on like sale for a while, but then we'll go back to the original price most likely, or at least something higher, because at the moment, like, we'll have additional utility AI features in this. The original, the like, there's a light version of utility AI which is free, but this version has additional features like action priorities and different selection modes, so you do not have to basically select the highest scoring action all the time, and instead you can select like randomly from top N, for example. There are different selection modes that you can choose from, but also you have action priorities and other features which doesn't exist in the light version, which is free. This is the influence map related components, an AI tag related component, and blackboards, which actually I forgot to mention. This is a free package but available in these two. And also we have visual data logger, which like logs all of the changes of the data over time. So here is the selection mode which I was talking about, and these do not exist in the light version. Then influence maps is $60 on its own. Smart objects is $45, and remembrance, memory, and emotions is $35, and all of these we are going to give you for just $1.85 if you need them. And this will basically fix all of your needs and answer all of your needs for making great immersive AI for a Unity game.